Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. And then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about cake designs in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching white and chocolate cake decoration ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please watch this video to end. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea of how your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you love the designs. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentioned in my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. If you are interested in these types of design, in this type of video, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. All the designs are very unique and trending. I hope you love the designs of creativity. I hope this design, this creativity are fantastic. And I hope this video is very authentic and creative for beautiful video, beautiful ideas. Cake decoration ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby shower, bridal shower, groom shower, anniversary and other celebrations. I hope you like these designs with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it, and also to try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. Thank you so much everyone for watching my YouTube video.